Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to summon Scary Chicken 666. So, go to the offline and pick this map and pick the and bring the board and type Scary Chicken 666. 666 and throw it and spawn mobs. Okay, since you spawned those mobs, kill them. If you finish killing them, then make a scary things to summon Scary Chicken. Shook, shook, shook. So, here we go. And here we go. Where am I? What is this server? Okay, I will just search. I was in the okay. I was making okay, guys. If Scary Chicken 666 joined, I need to go and run because every YouTuber runs from Scary Chicken 666 when they summon them. Okay. What's that text? 666. He must be here, but he was pretending to be not here. Maybe he's here. I need to leave this server right immediately. I need to leave this server.